Hi guys, welcome to this new numero of the Minute of Taxes. So today we're talking about a topic that may be familiar to maybe of you guys, but that a lot don't even know that they are not taking advantage of. Okay, it's basically the charitable contribution deduction. What is charitable contribution deduction and how to take it? Okay, so without further ado, I'm going to jump right into it and talk about this in the next 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, what is basically the charitable contribution deduction? It's a deduction that the IRS provides to any taxpayer or any company that actually provides any type of gratuity. Like it could be money, it could be any type of object, it could be a car, it could be a food, it could be anything that you actually give to any non-for-profit most of the time in exchange of any receipt, which has the value of what you're actually giving for free. So normally, in the normal courses, on the previous tax law, the charitable contribution deduction was actually, it has so many limitations. It used to have the limitation, or better place, it used to be that you have to actually itemize before you can actually take it. That's the reason why I'm saying that a lot of people may have been doing, charitable contribution, but may have not been aware of the fact that the charitable contribution were not taken into effect in their taxes. Okay, so that is the reason why I have to do this live. The real reason is because the CARES Act actually brought some new provision about the charitable contribution that makes not almost everybody to claim the charitable contribution. How? It used to be, I just said earlier, that you have to do what is called itemized. That means you have to use Schedule A in your taxes in order to take the charitable contribution. But now, with the CARES Act, they figure out that if you are able, within this hard time, to actually give money somewhere, you can take it out with what is called above the line deduction. That means it's like dollar for dollar against your taxable income. That means if I give $100 as a charitable contribution, I can take the $100 against my taxable income. It used to be that it will go into the Schedule C. And when it goes into the Schedule C, it's actually a percentage that is actually accounted for. And if you didn't itemize, that means you're not actually taking it. Even though you provide all of those information to your tax professional, he will say, okay, yes, I'm accounting for it. But if you didn't itemize, that means he didn't claim it for you. Okay, so this is the reason why I'm saying, okay, this is a time you really need to claim your charitable contribution, because the CARES Act actually allows you guys to claim up to $300 of charitable contribution deduction against your taxable income. That means it will just lower your taxable income. That means you're actually paying less taxes out of your taxable income because of this charitable contribution deduction. So this is what I want to share with you guys. And if you still have more questions, of course, you will know what to do. You can drop the question on the description of this video if you're watching it on Facebook. But I will always advise you to actually subscribe to this YouTube channel if you are watching on the YouTube. And, post the question or post any other type of question that you will want me to actually put as a next video, as an incoming video during this new program called the Minute of Taxes. So that was the Minute of Taxes with you, and I see you tomorrow for this daily activity of taxes. That was Russell Fowlers, your tax and accounting specialist. Ciao, see you tomorrow, guys. So I believe that by now you have learned at least one thing that you didn't know about how to legally save in taxes. If you really need to know even more in depth of what you have learned, or even a different strategy of how you can do as a business owner, as a simple taxpayer, I will invite you to click on the link below to see all the other tools or training that I have available for you. See you in the inside.